Greetings and salutations, folks. I'm Josh from Layzee Acres. Thank you for tuning in. We are saving the world here, one trailer at a time. Today, we're going to take a look at a 2024 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite, model number 26 FKBS. Weighs just less than 7,000 pounds. Front kitchen, double slide. Both slides are on the opposite side, so we got great awning coverage down here. Awesome kitchen space, nice living room space, and a wicked bedroom space. This is the I Like the Way You Move. And I'm with my friend, that Dutch bad boy, Brendan Hannemeyer, on the camera today.
What's going on, happy campers, future campers, and fellow salespeople? Thank you so much for tuning in to the #1 RV YouTube channel in the world. These Super Lites, they are sick, especially this floor plan. Probably the hottest one that is out there. It's very impressive. If you don't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, we'd appreciate that. We're also on Instagram, TikTok, and we're on Facebook. We're doing shorter videos there, but they're still awesome. You should check that out as well.
Yeah, Brendan, this is our most popular Super Lite for sure. And when we were down at Open House there, we noticed that every other manufacturer and brand was trying to bring out their own front kitchen floor plan, but these guys still do it the best. Front power jack, 30-pound propane tanks, battery in a box location there, electric jacks all the way around, great looking front windshield over top of our front kitchen, good looking unibrow, and then we have our rack and pinion style slides over here on this side. We're trying to bring these in with slide toppers on them every chance we get. Frameless windows in through here, 15-inch tires, Goodyear tires, torsion suspension, aluminum rims, and then we have we don't have a pass-through storage, just the way the floor plan works, but we have great storage here in underneath our bed, nice woven mat finishing that off, and you see proof of all the aluminum framing in through there as well. 50 amp detachable style cord, full-size spare with that plastic cover on top, roof ladder. Get up on your roof, check your seals every 90 days. That's a one-piece roof, which is just how I like my grandmother's bathing suits. Prepped up here for a backup camera. And then here on the door side, Brandon, we have our freshwater fill. We have an outside shower. One of the differences, this wasn't quite like this last year, was it?
For them, I don't believe so. I think it was like a smaller box, right? That just had the...
Yeah, I feel like it was around the back. I'm not really sure. Anyways, outside shower, electric awning starting here, covering both doors. Both doors have the MORride step that's right to the ground. It's also cable assisted, so it's easy to get up and in. Lend-a-hand grab handle. The other side of our tires, these do just look good. A spot here to put an outside TV. These come with an outside griddle. Yeah, the griddle goes up here. The table goes here at the back. Nice light here lighting up your stairway. Furnace vent, 6-gallon gas electric water heater. Little bit of bonus storage in through here. There's that outside table I was telling you about. Pretty slick stuff. Manual crank for the front jack, and then a manual override for the stabilizers. Plywood floors, Asdel interior, fully walkable roof, outside speakers, LED lights in the awning, a cradle holding up that awning. It's so long, in fact. TPMS system, frameless windows, goodness gracious. Let's go see what we got going on here for travel access. So let's go to the back door here first, Brendan, because back door, we're coming right into the bedroom. We obviously have access to the bed. We can easily get to our bathroom as well, so that is good. And then coming back out the back door, heading in to the front door, we have access to our theater seats and our TV. We also have access to our fridge, which is pretty cool here when we get to it. Let's get this thing opened up. Right on, folks. We're inside that Flagstaff Super Lite 26 FKBS. I'll be straight with you because I am. There's not a lot of changes here interior-wise from 23 to 24. We have the plusher furniture in through here, Brennan.
Which I appreciate. Charging
location in the middle of it. We have the reclining action here. We have new hardware. But otherwise, it's good the way it was. It's good still. It's fantastic in through here. Theater seat is an option. You can do a tri-fold style sofa. The seating here makes sense though because it's facing your TV location. And then we have cupboard space here across the top. Over here we have the booth dinette. You can also option to sit with a freestanding table and chairs. I like the booth for this application, especially when you do the theater seat. We've got drawers in here down below. This does turn into a secondary bed. We've got windows in through here, and then at the front we're into our kitchen storage and kitchen space. All kinds of counter space, solid surface throughout the kitchen is standard. We've got that front window, bringing nice natural light. We've got another window in through there. We've got a receptacle and a USB. One other change, they went to an 1800 watt inverter instead of a 1000 watt inverter. I got that right?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, yep. That's right. Okay. Cupboard space here. A little bit of a hidden drawer down below. Reverse raised panels, which is really solid stuff. And that continues right across there. Let's keep going low, Brennan. Space right there. That's a garbage can location. I kind of like the idea that you can leave your garbage can in here, pull that out, dump it in someone else's fire pit. Glass stovetop cover over top of 3-burner stovetop. Oven down below with oven knobs. A little bit of a deeper oven. Stainless steel sink, drying rack right in through here with a black faucet that pulls out for spraying. Range hood vent, microwave, cupboard, cupboard, cupboard. Okay. And then one of the coolest updates for 2024 I thought was this wicked fridge. So it looks good, right? That's nice. But it actually opens up from either side. So depending if you're coming from the door side or the kitchen side, you can get into your fridge really, really easily. And then we have our controls for everything, our WeRV Connect, so we can hook up to from our phone, operate our lights or slides or awnings in off our phone, which is cool. Main door in through here. We have this nice closet. Okay. Hanging. You can also convert this into pantry space depending on how you want to do that. You do have a spot there to kick off the shoes. TV across from the theater seat like I mentioned. Open shelf here. Fireplace down below. And then right here we have our washroom. It's an ensuite washroom, so we have great access from the living space or the bedroom space. Porcelain style toilet. Cupboard there. Sink in through here. Sink in through here. We got our medicine cabinet there. In the shower, I'm 6 feet tall. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but radius style doors. I can stand up in here easily. We got the soap spot right there. And then these nice linen closets right in through there. Heading into the bedroom, out of the bathroom. This is a killer bedroom because we have that bed slide. And yeah, this is the queen bed. Bedside tables there, windows on either side, new headboard for this year, which is slick looking. Light here right above, cupboards across the top, window here at the back, USB, another shelf right there. And then right here are our glass shower doors.
Nope.
Glass
mirror.
Closet doors, mirror, closet doors. Couple drawers here. That's a big, nice, deep drawer. And that's just access to the like the water fill, winterizing, that kind of stuff down in through there. With a fantastic fan here. That's an option. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Leave us a comment down below. Have yourself a good day.